from the Educator School Farooqlas campus. So student, we will start our class with the holy name of Allah. Fold your arms and recite Taus.
Taus. A'udhu, to seek the refuge. A'udhu, to seek the refuge. Billahi, to Allah. Billahi, to Allah. Min, from. Min, from. Shaitan, shaitan. Shaitan, shaitan. Nirajim, the outcast. Nirajim, the outcast. Tasmiyah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Ar-Rahman, the most beneficent. Nir-Rahim, the most merciful.
So student, raise your hand for dua. Dua for increasing knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. ऐ मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफा अता फरमा. O Allah, increase my knowledge. Ameen. So student, today is our numeracy class. Let's learn numbers. So first number in numeracy 1. One. One car. 2. Two. 2 kittens. 3. Blind the sound. Tree. 3 mangoes. Which number is this? 4. 4 cycle, bicycle. 5. 5 burgers. Do you like burgers? 6. 6 watch. 7. 7 arms. 8. 8 pears. 9. 9 dolls. 1 0 10. 10 balls. So students, we will practice these numbers on our fingers. So my right hand is ones and my left hand is tens. Show me your hands. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. My this hand is tens. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So student, keep practicing it at home. So student, now we will learn some shapes. Some you might. Student, we will learn some shapes. Some of them you might know. So student, what is this? This shape is circle. It has no corner. Circle is round. So what is this? Square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1 2 3 4. Square. What is this? Diamond. This shape is diamond. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1 2 3 4. This is a diamond. What is this? Rectangle. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. 1 2 3 4. Rectangle. The shape is rectangle. What is this? Triangle. It has 3 corners and 3 sides. Triangle. This is, so friend, this is heart. This is star. It has 5 arms. 1 2 3 4 5. Star. This is oval. No corner. This like egg. Okay student, I have to fix these shapes. Will you help me? Okay. So which shape is this? Circle? No. Square? No. Diamond? No. Rectangle. This is a fixed. This is triangle. Where to fix it? Here? Yes. What is this? Oval. Where to fix it? Oval. What is this? Star. Here? No. Here. Fix it. So what is this? Square. Here? No. Here? No. Here. What is this? Circle. Where to fix it? Circle. What is this? Heart. Where to fix it? This? Here? No. Here. What is this? Diamond. Where to fix it? Diamond is here. So student, this is the shapes. These are shapes. So students, did you enjoy learning shapes? Hope you did. So students, let's practice an EPL now.
Students, today we will practice folding clothes. There is a shirt. First you have to turn it upside down like this. Then you have to hold a side, any side, give a fold towards back like this. Very good. And sleeve also should be folded. Then give a fold to the opposite side, other side towards back like this. Very good. Now give a little fold from the bottom of the shirt like this. Then hold this and match it to the shoulders. Now turn it. Look, this is the way to fold clothes. So students, now you have to practice it at home and you have to fold your clothes by yourself to help your mama.
Friends, I have an interesting story for you.
So students, today's story is shopping. Do you love shopping? I love shopping because when we go for a shopping, we find many types of things like toys, clothes, shoes, etc. and much more. Now look here students, on this page their father is calling them, let us go for shopping. Let's go for shopping. He is calling them to sit in a car and go for shopping. Now try to read this line. Let, us, let us go, let us go. For, let us go for shopping. Let us go for shopping. Now in this view, look, they have come to a mall for shopping. And the children are very excited to enter the mall and buy many things. Now look, it is a big store. It is a big store. Now try to read this line. It is a big. It is a big store. When a is at last, we do not read this. Store. It is a big store. They have come to a mall. Oh look, they have come to fruits and vegetables shop. Here. Now mama is saying, I like fruits. And what is she holding in her hand? She is holding grapes. Now try to read this line. I like. When a is at last, we do not read this. I like e. When a is there, it sounds e. Fruit. It sounds oo. Fruit. We do not pronounce e. Fruit. I like fruit. Oh, yummy. Look, they have come to a bakery site. And the boy is saying, I love to eat cake. Look, do you also love? I also love to eat cakes. Now try to read this. I love. Is silent when at end. I love to. I love to eat it. A is silent when at last. Cake. I love to eat cake.
So student, what do you go for shopping? नहीं हटाना. Student, when do you go for shopping? What do you like to buy? Students, I will tell you more about their shopping in 10th class. So last I will tell you good thought of the day. So good thought of the day is you should thank you. तो कोई भी बाबा माँ आपको कोई भी चीज़ देता है या कोई भी आपको कुछ कहता है, कोई चीज़ देता है तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? उनसे थैंक यू